air pumps. Something people don't give a lot of thought to. They normally just go out and buy the biggest one or buy the one that's in the right price range. But they don't think about what is the wattage, how much power is it going to take, how much is it going to cost to run, how many litres per minute will it produce, what's the noise level, is it going to be very noisy? Now, the first thing I think you should think about is your size of your pond and what size pump you're going to need. For 1,000-gallon pond, you only need something like 3,000 litres an hour. For a big pond, say up to 20, maybe 10,000, 20,000 gallons, then you need something in the range of about 10,000 litres an hour. This is basically a mid-range one, and it's 12,000 litres. Now, it is too big for what I would need for my pond, but I purchased this to use it to run my pond and to run my filter systems, and I'm thinking of getting a smaller pond to go beside my big pond, so this would run that as well. But from the pond I have at the moment, that has only got a small air pump on of 2,700 with a wattage of just 20 watts of power and a noise level of 35 dB, so it's very silent to run. Where this one, as you can imagine, is quite noisy. You couldn't put it outside next to the pond because the sound would basically echo around the garden. And if you put it into a shed, it's going to vibrate a lot. So therefore, you've also got to think about how do you reduce that sound. So that's another problem you have. But thinking about the size of air pump you need for your pond is vital. Just get one that's slightly bigger than the size of the pond, that's got a low noise level, and that is low wattage, and one that you feel happy with. Thanks for watching.